Minutes. But first, this Obama ad is misleading because it leaves out a comment by Mitt Romney which would have clarified the Republicans' position.
Tough on China? Not Mitt Romney.
The first ad regards the touchy issue of trade with China. The president saw 5,000 American tire workers losing their jobs because of a surge of cheap Chinese imports. He decided to impose a higher tariff to protect American workers. Mitt Romney criticized that move. The ad, though, takes Romney's comment out of context.
Said standing up to China was bad for the nation and our workers.
What Romney actually wrote on page 119 of his book was, President Obama's action to defend American tire companies from foreign competition may make good politics by repaying unions for their support of his campaign, but it is decidedly bad for the nation and our workers. Protectionism, he concludes, stifles productivity.
It was President Obama who stood up to China and protected American workers.
Romney charges the president imposed the tariff as a payoff to the United Steelworkers Union, which filed a trade complaint. Romney says protecting American companies by imposing higher import tariffs is bad for business because without competition, there's no move toward efficiency and innovation. And Romney argues high tariffs on imports simply raise the prices of tires on consumers. And Chinese representatives also called the president's move protectionism.
How can Mitt Romney take on the cheaters when he's taking their side?
Now, some U.S. tire companies have shifted producing higher price tires because they want to make higher profits. So they've outsourced the low-cost tires to cheap labor countries like China. That's all the perspective in this story, but the Obama ad takes Romney's comment out of context, and that's misleading.